Hey guys, create the perfect modern room with these must-have gadgets and devices. All these items transform your room's design and functionality, making it a comfortable haven you'll never want to leave. Do you want to deck your room out for gaming? If so, then you definitely need these LightSmart light panels. It's very simple. Decorate your room in a unique fashion by connecting up to 50 light panels together. Paired with a special smartphone app, you can choose from among 16 million colors, adjust the backlight mode to your liking, activate the dynamic mode that shuffles through random backlights, or even sync the lights to music. Yes, these panels also react to sound, creating a magnificent display like this. There's even a function that can toggle the lights when the door is open. You can control them through the mobile app using touch control and via Google Home or Alexa. The panels can be arranged on a table or hung up on a wall. A set of 5 panels includes connectors, a 40-inch long USB cable, and a table stand. And the best part is, the coupon code YFT8 gives you 8% off on this cool quantum light. Create new shapes over and over again, even a Christmas tree, by combining 18 pieces together. Visualize your dreams by drawing or making notes, and remember that everything is in your hands, even the world. MOVA spinning globe turns peacefully on its own using the room light energy and Earth's magnetic field forces to simulate to perpetual motion. The globe doesn't require any batteries or cords, so you can place it wherever you like. Yep, it'll be difficult to choose among 5 sizes and 40 designs, from world's map to famous artworks. You can even collect a set of all planets and create your own universe. Can you imagine your life without hot, delicious coffee? Keep your drink at the exact temperature you prefer with the Ember Smart Mug. You can set the needed degree once, or you can adjust it via the app as you're drinking. The app remembers the temperature and has several preset options for drinks such as tea, coffee, and hot chocolate. The software also notifies you when your desired warmth of the liquid has been reached. Smart Mug comes with a saucer, which is actually the charging device. Just put the mug on it or take it off for up to 1.5 hours. Personalize your mug by choosing your favorite light color and enjoy the ideal drink from the first sip. If you are going on vacation in a few weeks and there's no one to look after your flowers, don't worry. Meet PICO. It's ready to take care of your precious plants. PICO radiates all the necessary wavelengths of light to replace the sun completely and allow you to grow greenery all year round. PICO stores water and provides it to plants on demand through a capillary wick. The transparent window lets you know when it's time to top up. Your personal garden will also grow quicker and healthier due to root oxygenation from below, provided by small slits in the soil vessel. With its USB ports on both sides, you can chain multiple PICOs together and build yourself an indoor jungle. Just connect cables to either side, and each PICO will accept and pass through power to the next one. These gadgets were created to bring back a bit of joy to a decision-heavy day. Spyn is a family of perfectly weighted, versatile decision-making tools. The spinning top is made from solid stainless steel. The laser-etched graphics are permanent and won't wear off. It's smooth, pocket-friendly, with just the right amount of mass, built to last for decades of spins and million decisions. Combine a whole collection of spins with several variants of answers, or make your own spin using the blank version. Next in line is totally awesome gadget that'll help you go into the past. It's Magnetic Wax Seal ALUMA. Wax seals were traditionally used to authenticate official documents and add a personal touch to your written correspondence. ALUMA is made from solid pieces of aluminum. It consists of just 2 parts, the head and the handle. The central part ends with a stainless steel ring, which gives a practical housing for the strong neodymium magnet inside. Each ALUMA wax seal will come with 10x wax pellets. One ALUMA branded wax pellet is enough to seal a single envelope. If you're a big fan of the loft style and want to add some authentic notes of mid-20s New York's life, then Millclock is a great addition to your interior. Just place Nixie tubes on board, do simplified programming, attach the casing or base of your choice, and enjoy your own creation for many years. The packages include 1, 4, and 6 Nixie tubes. Using 6 tubes at the same time, you'll be able to trace hours, minutes, and seconds. Clock comes with software and a companion smartphone application that is available for both iOS and Android. After setting the time and alarm, choose your favorite color backlight and savor the atmosphere. Shelf floor lamp is a simple way to create a welcoming environment in your room. 63-inch tall floor lamp is made of high-quality MDF wood. 3-level shelves have enough space for family photos, books, pottery, and other small treasures. The frame takes only 10 minutes to be assembled. It also includes a power-saving LED light with 20,000-hour life, or about 20 years use. The bulb creates a bright, warm light, but the neutral-toned lampshade makes it less harsh, which means it's also perfect for spaces where you want cozy and calming atmosphere. More reliable. Cool. It's about SafeBox of a new generation. Protect your small values with this home security safe. It's a perfect protection from theft or burglary. Its small size makes it easy to conceal under car seats, in spare tire wells, and other out-of-the-way locations. SafeBox is made of solid steel. It has a pry-resistant door and reliable high-strength locking mechanism. The box has digital keypad for setting your own combination and biometric lock with recognition up to 2 fingerprints, which are easy to set. Just press the secret button and swipe finger across the scanner 5 to 10 times. Your fingerprint is your security key. Whatever's inside, it's safe and sound. There is a simple solution how to organize your bedside area and be sure that everything is at hand. This cool new bedside shelf will be the perfect way to make your room more compact. It clamps onto most standard bed frames easily with a special versatile clamping system. You don't need any tools. This 2.1 inches wide babe holds up to 15 pounds of typical bedside things: books, phones, tablets, e-readers, coffee cups, water, remotes, small laptops, or just your creepy cat who likes to stare at you while you sleep. The next device will help you fight insomnia, nightmares, and other sleeping troubles. Just breathe, sleep, and relax with Therapy Candle. Put it on your bedside table and enjoy the variety of sounds and lights. There are several sound and light therapy modes that help to switch off from everyday problems and negate distracting environmental noises. A low-tone noise frequency helps you to relax and sleep. Color light therapy simulates the wavelengths, triggering subtle biological responses that help to improve your sleep and elevate your mood early in the morning. It simulates the ambiance of a calming candle flicker without the safety risks posed by a real flame. Special breathing technique according to the color change can lower your heart rate and calm your mind. Well, what could be better to say goodbye to your stress? Give your family albums a second life with the help of Wood Picture Photo Frame. It's a great way to organize pictures and put a little life in your home, office, or dorm room. The frame includes mounting hardwares that's suitable for both horizontal and vertical wall mounting. Change your photos whenever you want and create your own book of memories. Guys, did you promise your girlfriend moon and stars? No problem. 3D moon lamp will be the best gift for her, but it differs from the usual moonlight. The color drawing makes the spherical surface look like a beautiful and captivating colored galaxy. Special craft of the ball with 3D effect creates a look of a far unexplored star. The colorful star sky 3D effect gives people unlimited imagination to the universe or distant galaxies. It's an excellent gift for children and adults. This little cactus with the function of diffuser will be a great accessory to your room. It smells great, and it's as cute as a kitten, and it's easy to use. Just remove the cap, insert the wood ring, and insert the cactus gypsum reed into the container. It takes 2 to 3 days for the dried diffuser to absorb to the end and become completely smelt, so be patient, but it's worth the result. Just pick whatever cactus you like. The variety of nice diffusers is wide enough. A cute trinket is pleasing to the eye and nose. We found something that can end the utter chaos of organizing and charging your personal electronics and will charge just about all the devices in your home at the same time. This charging station works as a dock for smart devices with the help of 6 USB ports. Smart charger's also able to charge up to 6 devices at the same time. Moreover, each port comes with up to 2.4 amperages, so you can charge your smartphones and tablets up to 80% faster. The charge station comes with 1 micro USB cable, Type-C cable, and 4 lightning cables. The multiple devices charging station also comes with plastic organizers to keep your devices in an organized way while charging. Furthermore, the mechanism of the charger comes with both overvoltage and overcharge protections. The 8-port desktop charging station hub is one of the most useful gadgets for your room, office, or on a trip. Equipped with 6 2.4 amps USB ports, Type-C port, and Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 port, which is 4 times faster than standard ones, this device is perfect to power up 8 appliances simultaneously at full speed. Its smart USB ports detect your gadget automatically, deliver the fastest possible refill, and stop charging automatically when devices are fully well fed. This thing has overheat, overcurrent, and short circuit protection, so power up process is going to be fast and completely safe.